2, 3.
I'm Supreme Grandmaster Johnny Gonzalez. I have a nice day. The Philippine Tapado Martial Arts International means this is the pure original Filipino arts that was year 1521 when the Spaniard came here in the Philippines. So the Philippine Tapado Martial Arts, this is the original Filipino art, have a 12 division. Number 1 division is Taekwondo. Taekwondo means the Tapado Consolidated Deadly Offense Fighting Technique. That is the division of Buffalo Division. The second is Bastoni. Bastoni means it is stick fighting technique. So the Bastoni, that is the harness, that is the harness stick fighting technique. And we have there is a 12 division of harness. For example, single harness, double harness, harness the dagger, harness the shield, swagger harness, and then so on, so more. So that is the division of tiger. Stroke. The tapuni. The word tapuni is the style similar to judo. Means tapons to hold and throwing system. That is the division of tiger. Labuno means, the words labuno, that is words of Visayans words. Labuno means tabulo and dagger fighting technique. So that is the division of cobra. Number 5 is boxing tapado style. The words tapado style, that is the boxing style of tapado. So the division of dragon. And then number 6 is sipabo. Sipabo means, the word sipabo is the combination of kicking and boxing fighting technique. That is from division of stallion. Labastoni, the long stick or the bustaff. So that is the division of snake. Pak Kumbatan is similar to mixed martial arts because pak means a freeway assault combat technique. So the division of animals, panther. Dumugbo means the underground fighting technique. That is dumugbo. Number 10 is liabi di corto. The liabi di corto is a close fighting and locking technique with throwing. So monkey division. Consolido bindipundo. The consolido bindipundo is only the Philtama have martial arts style. There is the fighting is underwater fighting technique only in Philtama. So the division is Serpent division. The last 12 division, this is a DAF. DAF means the deadly animals fighting technique. So the division of eagle. From now, we have the past and present Grandmaster in Philtama. That was here 1945 to 50. Grandmaster Carlo Dacuda the first, and the second is that was 1950 to 1945. Grandmaster Ahmad Danglil the second, and next is 1954 to 1958. Grandmaster Raimundo Dumlao, and then Grandmaster Osichans 1958 to 1963. 1963 to 1967, Grandmaster Robustino Aldaba. So the last Grandmaster July Quirino, 1967-2006. July Quirino is was died on 2002. So I'm here. I'm Johnny Gonzalez Jr., the Supreme Grandmaster, take over this position. So the destination, Cebu, Negros, Davao, Mindanao, throughout the Philippines and international on where the Tapado exists. So the international Grandmaster operation, Rubin Tansinko, based on Canada and Spain. So I'm the President, Chairman, and National Operation here in the Philippines. Thank you.
Thank you.